What's the meaning of cardigan sweater? Cardigan sweater. Cardigan sweater.
Cardigan sweater. Cardigan sweater. A cardigan sweater is a type of knitted garment that is typically worn over a shirt or blouse. It has an open front and is fastened with buttons, hooks, or a zipper. The sleeves are long and the neckline can vary from a V-neck to a crew neck. Cardigans can be made from a variety of materials, including wool, cotton, and cashmere. They are often used as a layering piece for warmth or as a fashion statement. Cardigans come in many styles, from classic and simple to trendy and eclectic.